Hi, good evening all. Welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE online platform, ACE Online. Guys, it is privilege to introduce myself, K. Hanumantrao, faculty in Electrical Department. Today, we are going to discuss about the very important thing for those who are preparing for TSGENCO 2023 exam, which is going to be conducted by TSGENCO in December 17th. Our exam ki, our academy is going to be conducted mega mock test 2023 for TSGENCO. దాని డీటెయిల్స్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి నేను వచ్చానండి. రైట్, టుడే సెషన్ I am going to explain first syllabus, exam pattern and exam schedule. Whatever the exam schedule we are going to be conduct, that I am going to discuss. This is the offline test, offline mega mock test andi. We are going to conduct nearly 2 tests, రెండు టెస్ట్లు కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామండి on December 10th as well as December 13th. సేమ్ ఏ ప్యాటర్న్ అయితే మెయిన్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుందో అదే ప్యాటర్న్లో మేము కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఇట్ యువర్ ఎబిలిటీ. దోస్ హూ ఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ ద మెయిన్ or TSGENCO test for various branches, not only one branch, for all the 4 streams which are electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical as well as civil engineering. All the streams we are going to be conduct mega mock test 2 datesలో 2 testని కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. That test is nearly equal to whatever the test main test is conducting. సేమ్ ప్యాటర్న్లో కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామండి. ఫస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గివ్ దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సిలబస్ ఫర్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్, ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్, మెకానికల్ అండ్ సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. లెట్ us take that the syllabus one by one for each and every stream. And before going to that, I would like to give that whatever the notification was given by Telangana government, according to that the number of vacancies which are having. Guys, this is very important to those who are preparing for TSGENCO. Electrical, you know that 145 and 42, and mechanical 74, general and 3, electronics 25, and civil engineering 49, and general is 1. Total 339 posts already given. The limited requirement is 94 and general requirement is 245. While coming to that, here the exam date already announced. Previously it was on 3rd. That's why it was changed because of the Telangana elections result was there, is there. That's why the date was changed from 3rd December to 17th December. Okay, and you, as you know that core subjects 80 marks and general awareness, here Telangana movement is there, computer science skills are there for 20 marks and 20 marks, 20 number of questions are 20, number of questions are 80. Each question carries you know that 1 mark, and the time duration is 2 hours. Let me consider that syllabus. This is very important here. All the streams, guys, those who are really passionate, the aspirants, you should concentrate only whatever the syllabus is given. Don't read each and everything. You stick on to that syllabus. It is very good for you, and if you stick on to the syllabus, you can complete the entire syllabus within the time. And my sincere advice, those who are preparing, you please attempt all the tests, every day 1 test from next month 1st onwards. At least those 15 days from December 1st to December 15th, at least daily 1 test you have to attempt through online or offline, wherever it is going on. Okay, and this is the terms and conditions for the salary. Okay, now for electrical circuits, electrical engineering, electrical materials, this was the new subject here. And while coming to that electrical circuits and fields, and electrical and electronic measurements, analog and digital circuits, While coming to that signals and system processing, this is the here systems and signal processing. This is also new subject. Control systems. This is also electrical machines. This is the main one here. Major score. You can get it. Please concentrate more. Electrical people. And while coming to that, the power system. These are the, you stick on to that, whatever the contents are provided by the here Telangana government, the notification, as per the notification, you stick on to that contents whatever given, those topics only. Power plant, this is the new subject. And power electronics and drives, in this one also some of the additions are there. And this is also new subject, mechanical subject, thermodynamics. And heat transfer, this is also new subject. And that is the section A. And while coming to that section B, analytical and numerical ability, general awareness, English, and Telangana culture movement, post-formation development of the Telangana state, and basic knowledge in computer for handling office works such as MS Office. These are the simple questions you may get it. Already you are aware of this one. This is about that electrical syllabus here. While coming to that electronics people, the aspirant, those who are preparing for the TSGENCO electronics, this is a very much good opportunity for the electronic students here. Don't neglect, because you have 25 posts are there. You have 25 posts. Believe me, if you concentrate completely, definitely you will get job, no doubt. Okay? Now, the syllabus for electronics engineering, network, signals and systems. This is the first one in section A, and electronic devices, EDC, and analog circuits. You stick on to this, whatever the contents are given. Digital circuits, control systems, this is the common subject. Communication, this is also very important here. Once if you are having a knowledge regarding the GATE examination, the basics, very simple basics are required under this. Electromagnetics, EMF, and basic electrical engineering. These also, once you are having here networks, that is more than enough for this. And material science, this is also common subject for TSGENCO. And power plant engineering, same common subject, but this is the extra subject. You may have some basics. Guys, the questions which you can expect in this subject, the basics, simple basics, and I can say that you can refer the previous ECE examination from the mechanical part, then those questions you may concentrate. Definitely you can get minimum 90%, 80 to 90% you can score in this subject. And electrical and electronic measurements, this is also there. And finally, the same what we have considered under section B, 20 marks. Guys, in this one, I would like to give one important information regarding the section B. And whenever 20 marks are there, if you want to get it that minimum 15 marks, before going to the examination, nothing but, first of all, you have to attempt all the online and offline tests. That is the first thing. And the second thing, before going to the examination, before 2 days or before 1 week, you concentrate at least per day 1 hour on this. Definitely you can score minimum 18 marks. 18 marks. Believe me, 18 marks you can score. Before 1 week, nothing but from 10th onwards, every day, 1 hour, concentrate on this. Then you can get it. Right? And while coming to that, for mechanical here, for mechanical, the syllabus, whatever the syllabus is given, mechanic, engineering mechanics, this is the basic subjects. Section A, technical subjects. And while coming to that, mechanics of the materials, this is related with the material science, and theory of machines, vibrations, thermodynamics, you know this, and FM, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, engineering materials, casting, forming and joining processes, and machine tools operations, metrology and inspection, computer integrated manufacturing, production planning and control, and inventory control also, operation research, and IC engines, refrigeration and air conditioning. These are the simple basics here, and in electrical also this is their power plant engineering, because the recruitment is going on. Some of the power plants which they are inbuilding or they are having that thermal power plant. For that purpose they are recruiting for these 300 above 300 posts. So that's why this is compulsory for all the streams: electrical, electronics, mechanical as well as civil engineering. Design of machine elements, and basic, in this one also basic electrical engineering is there here. As usual, section B. This is about that mechanical engineering. You stick on to that, the topics which are given by the notification. Under notification, what the syllabus is there, you stick on to that. Don't go beyond that. And while coming to that, the civil engineering syllabus. For the civil engineering mechanics, like mechanical engineering first subject, solid mechanics, SM, structural analysis, building materials and construction management. This is the fourth, and fluid mechanics, open channel flow and pipe flow, hydraulic machines and hydropower, hydrology and water resources engineering, and water supply engineering. I think the basics you may get it: wastewater engineering, solid waste management, air pollution, geotechnical engineering, foundation engineering, surveying. This is one of the important subject. Transportation, this is also one of the important subject. And design of steel structures, design of concrete and masonry structures. Again, power plant engineering. See this. This is compulsory here, because he is going to recruit based on this one. You try to get that nearly 3 or 4 questions you may expect on this one. Next one is analytical and numerical ability, general awareness, English, Telangana culture and formation, and basic knowledge of the computer for handling the office work. Right. While coming to these guys, first I would like to suggest all the aspirants, those who are preparing passionately for that TSGENCO, for these all 4 streams, first, from tomorrow onwards, you try to prepare for each and every subject short notes. This is very important. And my sincere advice, while preparing the short notes is not common for all the students. It will not common. It should be differ. Why? Because short notes is prepared by the student in which topic he feels difficult. Once you are feeling some difficult areas, if you want to strengthen, you should daily memorize. That's why for all these 10 or 15 or 18 subjects, you put one separate notes and take at least 3 or 4 pages, 2 or 3 pages for each and every subject short notes. And one more thing I would like to mention here. Some of the students, you may forget some theory points. You write down the theory points also. Not only formulas here. Formulas you have to write, no doubt in that. For each and every subject, important formulas under short notes you have to write. No doubt in that. Apart from this, those who are having some difficulties regarding remembering the theory points, which are very much important for the corresponding subject, you prepare those theory points also, you mention, you write down that. Sometimes if you feel one subject is very much difficult, that subject may have the short notes minimum 5 to 10 pages. You write down, not a problem that. You put separate for short notes preparation. One notebook should have all the formulas. From December 1st onwards, whatever the test you are going to attempt, either online or offline, you have to follow these short notes only. You should not revise class notes, all the materials. It is a time-killing process. Believe me. If you do like this, preparation of the short notes, start from tomorrow onwards. For these 10 subjects or 15 subjects, technical subjects, or 18 subjects, not only technical subjects here, even the non-technical also. I said that daily 1 hour, you prepare that one. What are the important formulas under this? Or what are the important points under this one? You prepare that. Once you prepare, daily memorize. Morning at least half an hour to 1 hour, or evening half an hour to 1 hour while going to bed. You revise each and everything. What are the topics are completed? What are the subjects are completed? Suppose out of 18 subjects or 15 subjects, 10 subjects are completed. You go through the short notes for 10 subjects. You prepare that, guys. Believe me, this is very much useful for the final examination. Okay? Now let me consider that. Let me explain what the ECE Engineering Academy is going to do, or how the test is going to be conducted. Similar pattern here. Let me explain that. This is that here. TSGENCO for Assistant Engineering for Electrical, Electronics, Mechanical and Civil. Mega mock test. Offline mode here. You feel that how you are writing in the final examination. Similar way we are going to be conducted this test. You can feel that. For 10th, suppose if you are going to attempt on 10th, then 11th or 12th you will get result. According to that, whatever the weak areas, you can identify and you can strengthen that within 2 or 3 days. Not a problem. You can strengthen that, right? And you can revise each and every subject, or you can do more examples, and you can go for only for that particular weak areas, the class notes, as well as previous examination questions. This will take maximum benefit for you, no doubt in that. Believe me. And these offline tests we are going to conduct at Abed Surilo Complex, 10th December 2023, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Examination timings, sir. And mock test to 13th December, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And you can call to this number, or otherwise, we are providing that registration link also. Now see this one here. This is the mode is offline here. This is the offline mode. And while coming to that, the registration link, I will also show that registration link. See this one. Type of the students, present students of ECE, TSGENCO 2023 only. They are free here. Guys, this is the good news for all the students, those who are joined in ECE Engineering Academy. We are providing this offline tests. Those who are enrolled for the 2023 TSGENCO batch, they are getting free. This is the good opportunity for you. And present and previous students of ECE, ESC, GATE and PSC students, classroom, live, postal and self-list, they are only 100 rupees you have to pay. You should enroll with this test only for 100 rupees. The old students are those who are taking live coaching, postal coaching, right? All the offline GATE examination, those who are taking the coaching. For them also, if you want to practice that, you can take for 100 rupees for enroll, right? And students other than ECE, for them also we are providing. We are offering, if you are not ECE Engineering Academy students, for you also we are providing, we are offering. Just for 200 rupees only. Just for 200 rupees only. That's why don't lose this opportunity. Believe me, if you are really passionate for the TSGENCO 2023, you should enroll that. If you enroll, definitely you will be benefited here. Definitely you will benefit. Believe me. And while coming to that, how the examination pattern? Same here, whatever the pattern which we are considering that. And this is the link which you are providing for enrolling Mega Mock Test 2023 on December 10th. Suppose here, if you are not having this link, I will show that how you have to proceed the link. How you have to proceed the link. See this one. 1 second. Right. This is the link here actually. If you touch that link, then you will get this page. Right? This page you will get it, the first one for ECE Engineering Academy registration. Select the branch. Suppose if you are the mechanical engineering or civil engineering or electrical engineering or electronics engineering. Suppose if you are electrical engineering or mechanical engineering, click this. Other than A students or A students, suppose you click this one. Choose student type. A's present and previous students. A's present and previous TSGENCO branch. Because for TSGENCO 2023, you are getting free enrollment. For A's present and previous students, you are getting the enrollment for only 100 rupees. Okay? Now, other than A students, 200 rupees. Suppose you are present. See this one. Package is free for you. And A's present and previous students, it is only the 100 rupees. While coming to that other than A students, here you will get 200. And you click the next with this. It will ask that here, what is your email ID? After that, payment procedure will start. After that, payment procedure will start. TSGENCO EEE Assistant Engineer 2023 offline mega test. Offline mega test here. Once you enter the email ID, then here whatever the procedure you have to follow, that you can follow by clicking the next, right? And we will send that. If you enter that the email ID, we will send that the marks to your email ID, right? This is the procedure you have to take that. You click that link, then definitely you will get it. Okay? Let me continue with this, whatever you have taken. Right. This is the registration link here. This is the registration link. Let me consider that here. Same, whatever the OMR sheet you are going to see in the main examination. In the similar way we are providing that. Believe me, you feel that you are writing that main examination. Then on the time for the first test, suppose 10th you have attended now. Then you are not performed in one subject. Suppose heat transfer, suppose power electronics, suppose in communication, suppose in geotech engineering. These type of your subjects, suppose if you are having some doubts while you are attempting some questions, then definitely there is a possibility after 3 days we are providing one more test. 10th, if you perform the test, if you attend the test, we will provide that 11th or 12th. Then the result, based on that, you can strengthen the weak areas and you can attempt the 13th test also. Then from that one also, you have a chance to strengthen that weak areas, rest of the weak areas. With this is the procedure here, whatever you have taken. I said, na, you should start from December 1st onwards. Entire syllabus. If you are having availability in the other, whatever the other competitor, they are conducting that subject-wise test, you attend that, not a problem. But this is very important. We are going to conduct the similar way, whatever the main examination conducted by the Telangana government, the similar way we are going to provide that. This is the OMR sheet which we are going to give you. And based on this, you are going to get that, how to fill these options. Everything you will practice here. Once you enroll and if you attempt that, this is the matter of the 200 other than the A students and 100 rupees for money is the not matter, but you will get the perfection in that one. Not only for that, those who are having enrolled with that, those who are joined in ACE Engineering Academy, our academy now, I am suggesting, I am sincerely advise you don't miss this test. ఫ్రీగా వస్తుంది కదని ఫ్రీయే కదా మనం అటెండ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటే సరిపోతుందిలే. Don't feel like that. You should attempt that. Once you attempt, then only you can get the clarity regarding the main test. Clarity regarding the main test. Right. Now, let me consider that we are going to conduct the test. Core subject, general awareness, same pattern here. Whatever the pattern was given by that in the notification, same pattern we are going to be take it. First one is number of questions 80 and number of questions 20 for core subject, nothing but technical subject. Here general awareness 80 and 20. Dates which we are going to take that here 10th and 13th 2 p.m. and see this one. Now I will provide that the main details of what we are going to conduct the test on 10th and 13th. Now see this syllabus. Whatever the syllabus we are going to conduct, similar syllabus as per the notification for the branches. All the branches we are going to conduct here for electrical, electronics, mechanical and civil engineering. And exam pattern part A 80 marks, part B 20 marks, aptitude, English, same whatever we are having the notification, similar way we are conducting. And this is very important here, date of examination. You please note down this one, this is very important, right? This is very important. Please note down this one, 10th and 13th. And the examination duration, you know, the 2 hours, 120 minutes as usual. And while coming to that exam timings, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. It is a perfect time. You will practice that. The venue of the examination is Surilo Complex Abits here. Surilo Complex Abits. The ambience is very good ambience. Once you come and visit that Surilo Complex, definitely all the classrooms are very good ambience you will identify, right? And you feel that you are writing the main examination. And you will get the more chances, right? 2 chances are there. This is the good opportunity. The aspirants, those who are really preparing, if you want to get that GENCO EE job. And while coming to that, the same timings for all the streams. Same timings for all the streams. And the required documents, before coming to that, if you want to write the examination, what are the required documents you need to be carry to the examination hall or to the examination center. Examination center is Surilo Complex Abits, right? Hyderabad. And here required documents to attend the mock test. The first one is definitely hall ticket. We will send before 1 week or 3 or 4 days to your email ID. You need to carry the printout of that hall ticket to the examination hall or the venue, Surilo Complex Abits. And if you are the ACE students or old students or present student, definitely you should carry the ID card here. That is very important. And the personal ID. Personal ID is also very important. Any ID, either Aadhaar card, right? Any ID you can carry with this one, right? These are the 3 documents you have to show. Any one of hall ticket is compulsory. Other than a student's means hall ticket and personal ID proof. While coming to that ACE students, you have to show that ACE ID card. ACE ID card. Okay. This is about the here our mega mock test for GENCO 2023 for all the 4 branches. All the 4 branches here. And I am again mentioning that electronic students, don't lose confidence and don't take light this examination. You may not get it or only 25 posts. You need only 1 post here. You need only 1 post. You will not do the 25 post now. That's why 1 post is there. That's why you should write and you try maximum. You put the maximum effect on the examination. Get the job. Okay, and while coming to that here, what are the doubts you are having? I would like to interact you. Any doubts you are having regarding the registration here? I would like to interact with you regarding the registrations. This is the registration link. Right. Regarding the registration link. Any doubts you are having regarding the registration? Tell me that. Any doubts you are having regarding the registration? Please tell about the online course for SSC JE for 2024. Guy, you please talk about that today's topic. You please stick on to that today's topic. Sir, if I practice last 10 years of ECE papers, is that enough for TSGENCO examination? Yes. Who is that? Monica? Yes. Last 10 years ECE papers, it's okay. But one more thing, you have to do it. Previous TSGENCO, TS Transco, SPDCL, NPDCL examination you should attempt or you have to practice. This is very, very important. In the market you will get it. For previous electricity board examination for Telangana state, in the market that book is available, or otherwise, if you are not getting from the market, you come to our Surilo complex. We are providing, we are giving that GENCO, Transco and PSUs, public sector undertakings, all the questions. This is very important. First, you go through that the previous GENCO and Transco examination papers, SPDCL, NPDCL papers. Why I am giving this statement? Once you practice all the questions, definitely you will know that how the question is asking the examiner. How the question is asking the examiner. This is very important. And why in the previous videos I am suggesting that you practice from ESC questions, ESC questions, ESC questions. Because if you take that from ESC questions, because every year it is happening the ESC questions, whatever the topic is there, you will get the number of questions are more in that particular topic. My sincere advice to you, if you are already practiced last 10 years ESC question papers, okay, no doubt in that. But the compulsory thing is, take that the previous TSGENCO, TS Transco, AP GENCO, AP Transco, Maha GENCO, Maha Transco, all the question papers. This is very important because examiner always see that the previous questions, how the question was set. Based on that, you have to be follow that. That's why you should know that how the question is asking. Because some of the questions you should answer from the options, because this is the all MCQs, multiple choice questions. Some of the questions you should answer from the given options. If you do that normal procedure, it will take so much time. If you want to answer within the stipulated time, then definitely you should take that from the options to the question. Then you can easily answer that. You can eliminate one by one within 1 minute. You can answer that. That's why my sincere advice to you, you follow that previous GENCO, Transco, NPDCL, SPDCL for Maha GENCO, Maha Transco also. These are compulsory. Apart from this, if you prepare for the previous ESC questions, not a problem. But always I am saying that if you feel some difficulty any topic, you go through that previous ESC questions. That was my intention in the previous videos. Every video I am saying that previous ESC is very important. Why I am saying like that? Because if you feel difficulty while preparing for the examination for any particular topic, if you want to get the clear picture, previous ESC questions means you will get some theoretical concepts that will strengthen the concept of that particular topic. That's why I am saying that, okay, not a problem. Once you complete that last 10 years, it is more than enough. But compulsory thing is previous GENCO, Transco, NPDCL, SPDCL questions are compulsory. You have to practice. Okay? కొత్తపేట బ్రాంచ్లో కూడా ఓకే నో దిస్ ఈజ్ వీఆర్ conducting this test total Telangana state here at one center only, Surilo complex. We have a big complex, right? So many members, nearly 5 floors is there. We are able to conduct. How many members are coming? We are able to conduct in the Surilo complex. This is the main campus of ACE Engineering Academy, right? Main campus of the ACE Engineering Academy for offline. That's why once you visit, then definitely you feel it is the main examination. Okay. Next, any questions from your end? Registration last date. Okay, good question here. Registration last date. Registration last date is, suppose the examination before 3 or 4 days, nothing but up to December 5th you can enroll, or up to December 6th you can enroll. Before, because nowadays, I think you are aware of that. Nowadays, everything is online here. Everything. Because the previous days, we need to post the hall ticket, everything, this process is there. Always we are trying to see the student benefit. Suppose you forgot and you have realized that before 3 days, before 2 days, we are providing. Not a problem that. Not a problem. Okay? 3 to 4 days before. What it is? Think about the yeah, we will think. But for this TSGENCO examination, already all the settings are completed. We have planned that at Surilok only we are going to be conducted. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. Okay, guys. My sincere advice, all the aspirants, those who are really preparing for GENCO, coming GENCO in the December 2023 17th date examination, don't waste time here. If possible, 100% utilize the time. Go for sleep only 5 hours, not a problem. Not a problem. Present days, intermediate students are working very hard here. Intermediate student work చేస్తున్నారండి. మీకేం మీరు వర్క్ చేస్తారు. You can do it. You do it, right? Any doubts you are having, so many modes are there. You can clarify the doubts, not only for ACE examination, all the aspirants, really all those who are applied for TSGENCO 2023, the examination 17, those who are going to attend that test or that examination, right? Who do hard work, you believe on hard work. And my sincere advice, don't read each and everything one by one, regularly don't read that. You try to attempt that, try to practice more questions, attempt the test, subject-wise test, right? And mock test, all these, attempt the test and identify the weak areas and strengthen within 2 or 3 days or within a week by practicing all the questions from the previous examinations, right? If you do like this, then definitely you will get a job. Okay? Enroll all the students, not only ACE Engineering Academy, and all the students enroll that. It's a matter of simple 200 here, right? You are going to get that, once you get the job, 70,000, 67,000, you are going to draw that. No software student are going to draw this much of salary. And you can feel that you are the pride of electrical engineering. You are already settled, you are going to be settled in that, in your core field. How you feel pride as electrical engineering, as mechanical engineer, as civil engineering. If you are settling in your core field means that is a pride for you. Okay? All the best, guys. Thank you. Good night. All the best.